In this exercise, we will learn the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool basically is used to pick a sample color in an image, and we can save that color in Photoshop. Okay, let's see how that tool works. If I move my arrow on the tools bar, we can find the eyedropper tool. Here I can select it, or we can press I on the keyboard to select this tool. Okay, let's select this tool and click anywhere on the image. We can see I have picked this color, and we can pick any color in the image by clicking on it. And if I go to the swatches panel, I can save this color, and we can use this color at any time. Okay, next we have some control options above. We have sample size, and we can see that we have point sample. Let's zoom in a little bit and click on an image anywhere. We can see the point sample option is picking only the color where I click. It is just picking only one pixel color. And next, if I click 3x3 average option and click anywhere in the image, then the color is picked from the pixel area from around where I have clicked. Okay, if I choose the 11x11 average, then I click. Now it's picking the color around it in a large pixel area where I click. Okay, if I choose 101x101 average and then click on the image, now it is picked from a much bigger area. Okay, next we have the sample option, and we have current layer option. If we have layers below this layer, we can pick the color on that below layer. Okay, next we have the all layers option. By choosing this option, we can pick a color from any layer. And next, we have all layer no adjustment option. If we choose this option and pick a color from any adjustment layer, then we can't pick a color from the adjustment layer. For example, if I add some color on this image by using adjustment, hue, and saturation and choose any color, then when I try to pick any color from this adjustment, I am unable to pick the color from this adjustment layer. Okay, next we have the shown sampling ring option. If I click here and press it, we can see it is showing us a ring, and the upper side of the ring is our current color that we click. And below the ring is the previous color that we picked. Okay, now I want to show how we can pick color from outside of Photoshop. Okay, let's make the Photoshop window small to pick a color from outside. I have selected the Pick Color tool, and if you left click and press it and drag the mouse, then we can pick and color. Something like that. And after you choose the color, just release it. And we can see our foreground color is updated with the picked color, and we can also save it in Swatches panel. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Color Sampler tool.